Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Metro Exodus crashing on PC. First, ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for game instability. Next, verify the integrity of your game files through your platform's launcher, like Steam or Epic Games. Finally, try running the game as an administrator to bypass potential permission conflicts that can cause crashes. Once your drivers are current, dive into the game's graphics settings. Reducing demanding options like texture quality, tessellation, and shadow details can significantly improve stability. Also, double-check that your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements. If not, crashes are more likely. Lastly, close any unnecessary background applications that might be hogging your system's memory or CPU, freeing up resources for the game. If the problem persists, a complete reinstallation of Metro Exodus might be necessary. This ensures a fresh start without any lingering corrupted files. Investigate any third-party software or overlays, such as Discord or GeForce Experience, that could be conflicting with the game. Try disabling them. Crucially, monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures during gameplay. Overheating components can lead to system instability and frequent crashes. As a last resort, ensure your operating system is fully updated to its latest stable build. Sometimes, system-level patches can resolve underlying compatibility issues. For graphics drivers, consider a clean installation using a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller, or to completely remove old driver files before installing new ones. And speaking of clean, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description for a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.